Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this video. In this video, I will explain to you how to use and how to sign up into the Chatgpt. Chatgpt is the powerful tool. Chatgpt resolve any type of problem. Chatgpt used for almost any field. It become the difficult work and the easy way. We can resolve any type of the problem by that Chatgpt. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome. You can see and type that Chatgpt and then click on the enter button and click on the first link. You can see here, this is the main page of the Chatgpt, and then click on the sign up and then click on the continue with the Google. And you can also continue with the email address. This is the email address. You can see here, click on it, email address. You can see, and then click on the continue button and type the your name and type your age, and then click on the finish creation account. It will take time, and this is the page, main page of the Chatgpt, and then skip this one and then click on the continue button, and then finally click on the OK, let's go button. You can see here, then click on the new chat button option. You can see here, there's the create an image, write or edit option also available. Look something up. I want to create an image. I want to create the logo. You can see here, click on the create an image option and then type the create logo for the YouTube channel. Which one channel? Software installation channel. You can see here, my YouTube channel name is software installation. It will create a logo for the software installation channel. And you can see here, this is the logo for the software installation channel. And click on the download option. You can see here, this is the download option. And finally click on the download option. You can see here, Chatgpt download the image. You can see here in the download folder. And then click on the again new chat. You can see here, and I want to type give me best title for the YouTube channel. Which one channel? Software installation. And you can see here, I also type the give me the best description for the YouTube channel. I gave two option. I gave two sentences to the Chatgpt. One is for the title and another one is for the description. And you can see here, above is the title about the YouTube channel, and the below is the description of the YouTube channel. Which one channel? Software installation. You can see here. Now I type the give me tags about the software installation. You can see here, this is these all are tags. You can see the tags is separated by the comma. It is used for the YouTube channel. You can see here. Now I want to type the what is the cell short detail. Give me in 5 line. What is the cell? And give me an answer in the 5 line. This is the prompt I have given to the Chatgpt. Now I want to create the logo for the cell as well as for the YouTube channel topic software installation. You can see here, it will give me the two logo. One is for the cell and another one is for the software installation pro. You can see here. You can see this is the all information. Give me the Chatgpt in within 3 minutes. So Chatgpt give me all answer in the easy way. Now I want to create again the professionally the logo for the software installation. You can see here, this is the professionally logo for the software installation pro channel. So in short, Chatgpt save over time, and Chatgpt resolve almost any type of the problem. Medical field, it can also resolve the problem. History field, science field. So Chatgpt is very important, and it saves the time of the human, and it resolve a difficult work in the easy way. So in short, if you have any question about the Chatgpt, Write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.